Today we are talking about people who help us. We're going to look at a few people who help us in the community. The first person we are looking at here is the doctor. The doctor works in a hospital, but we see a doctor in another place too. Can you think of where that might be? We sometimes see a doctor in a GP surgery, where we go and we might wait in a waiting room, and we might go in with mom or dad and tell the doctor what's making us feel unwell. And the doctor might give us some medicine. So we see a doctor in a hospital, and we also see a doctor in a GP surgery. Let's look at some more people who help us. The garda. Guards are other people who help us in the community. The garda works in the garda station. We see them driving around in their cars. We might see them walking around on our roads. Guards help us to stay safe. We might see extra guards at the moment while everybody is being extra safe for coronavirus. Another person who helps us is a teacher. A teacher works in a school. You see lots of teachers in your school. What does the teacher help you with? The teacher helps you with all of your work, with your maths, with your reading, with PE, with your art. The teacher helps you with lots and lots of different things. A shopkeeper. The shopkeeper works in the shop. We see shopkeepers every time we go in to buy something in the shops. There are lots of different types of shops, so we can see lots of different types of shopkeepers. A firefighter or a fireman also helps us. The firefighter works in a fire station. Ashburn has a fire station. Have you ever seen it? What does the fireman do? They put out fires and they help people. The bus driver is a community helper. The bus driver is another person who helps us. They might drive a school bus, or they might drive another bus to take us into lots of different places. We see bus stops and we see buses stopping at the bus stop to allow people onto the bus so they can take people to and from work and to and from lots of different places. Have you gone on a bus before? The caretaker is another person who helps us. The caretaker works in the school. Our caretaker in our school is called Dave. Dave helps us with lots of different things in school. He helps us to fix the walls, to fix the doors, to fix the taps, and lots of other jobs that we might need him to do. The traffic warden is another person in the community who helps us. The traffic warden works on the road. They make sure that we can cross the road safely. They stop the cars so that boys and girls can cross the road safely. We always still need to remember to look left and look right for cars. The traffic warden helps us be extra safe. The secretary helps us. The secretary works in the school. Fiona and Maria are our secretaries, and they work in the office by the main door in the school. They help the school to run. They help all of the teachers with their emails, and they help Principal Barbara with all of her work. They're very important in school. The last community helper we are looking at today is the librarian. The librarian works in the library. They help us to find wonderful books to read. They show us where they are and they teach us how to navigate all around a library.